So this storage heater, it is in good condition all the way around. I will film the top. This is Creda storage heater with dials on top. One of the spar switch is really old, and one of the switch have to be replaced. Now the previous installer left a holder that have to be repaired, and the cables are not brand new. At the moment the storage heater operate. I test the dials, it's on good shape, and the tenant know how to operate this storage heater over the day and over the night. So for maintenance, someone have to call next year and to be maintained. So Samuel, this is the 24-hour spar switch for storage heater, which operate the storage heater over the night. And this spar switch here is 20 amps, which I also label it. So now if I want to turn on the radiator and select the heat, the convector heater start. The radiator is properly fitted in the wall, so the brackets are on. This is a CXLS12 with convector heater and storage heater. Also I label the buttons for tenants, so now this can be operated. It is good, looks good, is in a good shape. Now if you need one of these radiators, remove it, please let us know and I will advise you next.